Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. We are certified Zoho partners dedicated to helping business streamline their accounting with Zoho Books. If you are looking for expert guidance or implementation support, please feel free to connect with us. So, let's get into the video. In today's video, we will be walking you through the process of importing opening balances in Zoho Books, a crucial step to ensure your financial data starts off accurate and reliable. So, before we start, let's understand what opening balances are. Opening balances are the amount that represent your company's financial position at the start of using Zoho Books. This includes balances of your customers, inventory, vendors, bank accounts, and other ledgers. Importing them correctly ensures your accounts stay accurate from day one. Before entering or importing opening balances, it's important to make sure your chart of accounts are ready. If the required account doesn't exist, you can create a new ledger. You can choose chart of accounts from accountant module. There you can see all the created accounts. To create a new account, click on new account, choose the account type followed by the account name and account code. Click on save button to create a new account. So once the accounts are ready, you can add the opening balances. This ensures that when you enter opening balances, every figure is mapped to the correct account. So to enter an opening balance, click on the settings button and under setup and configuration, you can see opening balance. Click on that. Click on the edit button and provide the migration date. Migration date are the date on which you are migrating from old software to new Zoho books. Say for example, if you are migrating from June 1st, then choose the date as June 1st before adding any entries. So all the balances that you have to be provided will be as on 31st May 2025's closing balance. You can add account receivables, that is customers, and all the vendors account payables by importing through an Excel file, and all other ledgers like expenses, assets, banks, then liability, equity. All the balance sheet items can be added manually. For example, if you have to add an asset, you can click on the arrow button. All the created ledgers under the head assets will be listing over here, and you can provide the amount according to the balances in your previous software trial balance, like you can provide it under debit or credit accordingly. Like this, you can add all other balance sheet items such as banks, liability, equity, etc. Then to import customers, click on import button against this account receivable. If you need a sample file, you can click on download a sample file, and this file will be downloaded to your downloads, where you can add your accounts receivables name like customer's name, and you can map it with the amount, provide whether it is a debit balance or credit balance. Once you have created the Excel, save this Excel in CSV Macintosh format and choose the file from your um, folder. Once the file is chosen, click on the next button and map Zoho Books headings with Excel headings. Likewise, you can import all the customers and your vendors balances from your existing software to your new Zoho Books account. So that's it. Your opening balances are now imported to Zoho Books. Hope you understood the session. Thank you and see you in the next video.